Welcome. Do you know your letter sound? If you want your child to read fast, you start your learning by letter sound, not by alphabet. If you want a child to read very fast, you start teaching the child sound that a child could read fast. Do you know your letter sound is about to go down? Let's try it down. A, A, B, B, D, D, E, E, G, G, I, I, J, J, K, mm, mm, O, O, R, R, S, S, T, T, A, A, W, W, X, X, E, E, Z. So thank you for watching. This is our 26 letter sound in English alphabet. Please, any correction, any contribution, please put it down below on the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe. Encourage your girl. This is my first YouTube lesson. Yay!